Exercise 7.3, sum number 1. A vessel is in the form of a hemispherical bowl mounted by a hollow cylinder. Right? The diameter is 14 cm and the height of the vessel is 13 cm. Find the capacity of the vessel. So, hemispherical bowl mounted by a hollow cylinder. So, listen here. In 7.3, we are dealing with the mounted. How the combination is given, volume of the hemispherical and the volume of the sphere. Right? Mounted means one hemispherical bowl we are having. We mounted on the top means cylindrical shape like mounted here. And then height of this vessel is 13 centimeter, the whole thing up top to bottom, 13 centimeter height, and then diameter is 14, but we need radius, so here to here radius 7, so here also what, 7 only, because one circle we are having means radius 5 means here also radius 5 only, here also 5 only, the same thing. Sphere we cut means hemisphere. For hemisphere also, here 5 means here also we have 5 only. The same reason, the given radius 7 means for hemisphere also, here also 7. Listen, why I am saying this one? Height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. Total height is 13 centimeter. So, radius of the hemisphere 7 means remaining is what? Here. 6 centimeter height remaining. So 7 plus 6, 13 centimeter height. Diameter is 14, so radius 7. So we have to write the data. We are having the two. One is cylinder. Radius equal to 7 centimeter. Height equal to 13 centimeter. Another one is hemisphere. Radius equal to 7 centimeter. In hemisphere, height we know it. So we need to find the capacity. Find the capacity they are asking means volume of the vessel. Volume of the vessel. This equal to volume of cylinder plus volume of hemisphere. I return shortly. Volume of cylinder. Formula is what? Pi r square h. Volume of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube. This equal to, from this 2 I take pi as common, r square r cube. So r square is common. Remaining is what? H plus 2 by 3 r. Now this equal to 22 by 7 into r equal to what? 7. That is 7 into 7 r square return. H equal to 13. No, H equal to 6 only. Six plus 2 by 3 into 7. This equal to this 7. 7 will be cancelled. 22 into 7 into 3 into 6, 18. Here 2 into 7, 14. 18 plus 14, 32 by 3. 22 into 7, 154. So 154 into 32, we are getting one answer, 154 into 32. So 154 into 32, we are getting 4928 is the answer. Divided by 3. So we divide means we are getting 1642.67 centimeter cube. So 7.3, all the sums like this one only. So here they are given one hemisphere and one cylinder. The combination we have to find the volume of the result. Thank you.